Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about air pollution in China. For the objectives, first I will give a brief introduction about the situation now in China. Second, I'm going to discuss two factors that cause the air pollution. Then, according to the two factors, I will give two solutions that will change the situations roughly. After that, I will talk about some counterargument about one of the solution and provide rebuttal. Finally, I will give the conclusion to the topic. For the introduction part, due to the severe haze and smoke in China, the air pollution has become a popular topic in China recent years. And according to the statistic by Beijing U.S. Embassy, in 2016, Beijing has 160 days that were recognized as unhealthy, including 39 days that were dangerous, which means the air pollution index is about 250. And to tackle the air pollution, some people suggest that we should control the car numbers, while others suggest that the government should close down some heavy plants. But can this suggestion totally change the situation? The answer is no. And we should first look at the two factors that cause the air pollution in China. The first factor is coal burning. Due to the rapid economic growth, China has a great demand of energy for production. And since coal is the cheapest energy in China, coal has become the first choice of energy. However, because coal burning utilization rate is very low due to the low improvement in technology, we have to consume many more coal in order to meet our demand. However, pounds of carbon dioxide emitted per unit of coal is very high. As a result, there is high pollutant emission, which is harmful to our respiratory system. And the second factors that cause the air pollution is emissions from private cars. Due to the large population in China, there is a high demand for private cars. So there is an excessive amount of car, which can cause high emission to the atmosphere. To eliminate the air pollution in China, I suggest the two following methods. First is that the government should provide more subsidy on car makers of electric cars. Since compared to the gasoline burning car, the electric cars are 100% eco-friendly since they use clean energy, electricity, which means there is no emission. However, the cost of producing and owning an electric car is very high, so the sales remains low in recent years. Therefore, there is need for more subsidy to incent sales. The second solution is that we should replace the coal energy by nuclear energy, since most importantly, the nuclear energy has almost no emission of toxic gas, and because a little uranium can generate huge energy, the nuclear energy is pretty powerful, efficient, as well as low fuel cost. And also, instead of running out in few decades, the supply for nuclear energy is sufficient on the Earth. Although there are many advantages by using nuclear energy, some people have doubt in nuclear pollution and security problems. And they always use Fukushima nuclear disaster as an as an example, since the nuclear power plant was destroyed by the earthquake, some nuclear fuel was released and the water and the food around the area are polluted. And fortunately, due to the high level of technology, we have two solutions to handle the nuclear pollution. First, we can place the waste under the ground or in stable geological setting. Therefore, the nuclear energy will remain stable instead of releasing radiation. And second method is called plasma mass filtering, which can reduce the nuclear pollution as well as reducing cost and byproducts when handling the nuclear pollution. In conclusion, mainly China's air pollution is caused by coal burning and private car emission, and the two solutions that I suggest is to provide more subsidy on car makers of electric cars and replace the coal energy by nuclear energy. Fortunately, we have enough high-tech means to tackle the nuclear pollution. Therefore, hope we can eliminate the air pollution in China in the near future. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Andy.